Namaste. I'm out here at Roma Street Parkland. It is an absolutely perfect day today. The sun is shining, it's nice and warm, and yeah, we thought it's a beautiful time to film some pranayama breathing. It's nice and relaxing here. You can probably hear the birds and all sorts of animals in the background. It's nice and relaxing. So I thought I'd teach you some Nadi Shodhan Pranayam today. The nadis are the subtle nerve channels that flow through the body. There's over 72,000 nadis within the body. And Shodhan means purifying or cleansing. So this practice of pranayama or breathing exercise helps to get that flow of energy moving through the body without any blockages. When we start to get blockages in our meridians or our nadis, then that's when disease and illness begins. So keep healthy by keeping your nadis unblocked and flowing with that beautiful prana or energy. So we're just going to relax, let our shoulders sink down, close your eyes softly, and we're going to just take a few nice deep yoga breaths. We're just filling the lungs completely. So you might like to squeeze your abdomen gently at the end of each exhalation, just to expel any stale air trapped in the lower lungs. So let's just take a few nice, deep, relaxing breaths. Now we're going to place our index and middle finger to the center of the forehead. The ring finger sits against the left nostril, thumb sits against the right nostril. And we're going to inhale through both nostrils. We're going to press the left nostril closed, exhale through the right nostril. And then inhale through the right nostril. We'll press the right nostril closed with the thumb, exhale through the left nostril and inhale through the left nostril. And we'll press that nostril closed and exhale and inhale through the right nostril. So we're exhaling and inhaling through each nostril, just alternating from one nostril to the other. It's important to try to keep the breath very well balanced here. So just slow the breath down so that you're taking the same amount of breath through each nostril. And you can watch the journey of the breath as you're practicing. This helps to keep our mind on our practice rather than letting it wander off. So we're just going to spend a few minutes now practicing our Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, or our alternate nostril breathing. As you inhale through that last nostril, we're going to remove our fingers and exhale through both nostrils, just to finish the cycle. Just become aware now of how smoothly and effortlessly your breath is now flowing. and how calm yet alert your mind now is. So I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you add this to your daily practice, health benefits are absolutely amazing. Any type of breathing is going to strengthen your lungs, tone the lungs, and keep your body healthy and full of vitality. Namaste.